I am Shubham Mujumdar, and for many days, maybe more than 1 month, I have been practicing the speaking courses of Ankush Pare Sarji. Then, after practicing for these many days, I have observed that my speaking pattern is changing, and I can say more properly, and the sounds that are producing are more clear now. And I must say that Singhasana and A E U practice is very good, because when you are telling any word, the A or E or A will come. So when you know that how to open your mouth properly, your speaking and moreover your words producing will be very clear, and I am feeling that. And one more thing, that the slow reading and slow speaking style is also very good. And on my observation, I can tell that these type of techniques, these whole techniques like the opening of mouth and speaking in a slow steady manner, and taking breaths, and observing your own speaking, so this will help you to reduce your speaking speed, and somehow you will be very confident when you will speak, and the words that you are trying to say will come easily.